How's it going? My name is Adrian Solars. I'm the founder of frostleads.com and the co-founder of closex.io. So I'll be going over why you want to focus doing volume compared to doing personalized messages. So before we get into this, I'm going to tell you a bit more about myself. So I used to send 100 personalized DMs daily on Instagram and Twitter every single day. So that's a total of 200 DMs per day, and it would take me 4+ hours every day. I had to track each positive response and follow up with everyone manually. While yes, the response rates were slightly higher, it doesn't mean there was a positive ROI. And I'll go over this more right now. So why is volume better than personalized? So the reason most people respond to you is because your offer is something that they are currently looking for. For example, when I directly pitch my offer, some people aren't interested, but then some people are interested in looking for that for my exact service slash software to solve a pain or desire that they have in their business. Plus, everyone and their grandma sends these personalized mumbo jumbo messages like, I love your content, BS. Like, they can read right through it, especially if you aren't following them. No one is following up for oh, I saw you were interested in content, oh, I love your content, oh, blah, 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 bullshit. It doesn't work anymore. That's super overused, and I've tested it, and yeah, most people aren't falling for it. So, that's why the best way is to directly put your offer in their face, and then they respond if they are interested. So a strategy also works best if you know how to properly target leads. For one of my campaigns, I've gotten a 43% response rate targeting a niche group for a client of mine. So all of the fake allegations that, you'll have a 2% response rate, blah, blah, blah. For example, all of my campaigns are doing a minimum of 6% response rate on Instagram and between a 2 to 10% response rate on Twitter, depending on my client and then depending on my personal campaign in the variant. So how do I start sending mass targeted DMs? So I'll be going over the exact same system and software I use that books me hundreds of calls a month. Keep in mind each platform works differently for each niche, but there's a way to optimize and re-engineer your DMs. There's a way that maybe your ICP won't be on Twitter, but there's a way to find people that work with them and offer like an affiliate deal or a referral network. So, Twitter outbound. On a verified account, Twitter limits your accounts to 500 DMs every day, not including follow-ups and responses, while an unverified account is limited to 200 DMs a day, including follow-ups and responses. My apologies, I'm kind of sick right now. But so for my outreach, I use a mix of verified and unverified account for multiple reasons. I've had more verified accounts suspended than unverified. And verified account is tedious work, from waiting 4 to 5 days, to be able to even apply for Twitter Blue, since it takes 48 hours after you log in. Then you can't make a change on the account for 3 days. And then you have to verify a phone number, use a virtual card, because eventually blocks, if you use the same account, bank account, Cash App, whatever, that works, and doesn't get canceled the next month. Then, after I have a mix of my accounts, I connect them to closex.io. It is my personal software that I've been using for a few months, and there's over 100 users that have really good results with it currently. So I log into all of the accounts, I create a campaign, and respond through the Unibox that is built in within our tool. So whenever I need to follow up with the leads that already responded, I click on the filter selection, and it shows me all of the people I marked as interested. So all I have to do is click through, follow up with everyone, and be able to properly track everything. Now, Instagram outbound. Instagram is a little bit more complicated when it comes to scraping, filtering, account creation, and proxies. I'll go over that in a bit. The old method was using an extension-based tool that would connect to a profile after you connected to a proxy to it. But there are tools out there that are cloud-based and provide a proxy and also have a Unibox compared to an extension-based tool that doesn't have a Unibox. If you want to see a demo video, I'll be dropping my Telegram under this video, or feel free to message me on Telegram at Adrian Solars, and I'll send you a demo video and connect you to the owner so you can get access due to it being on a wait list, but it is open to my referral network. So now, I know I showed you a super basic and brief example of my system, but it's super simple if you have done lead gen before. If you have any more questions, feel free to message me on Telegram at Adrian Solars. But if you want me to build out our intro offer so you can start booking a minimum of one call daily, read over this doc. I'll be linking it under this video. It is our base intro offer since we make it super affordable. So anyone and everyone, even if you're starting out, are able to start getting a few calls booked in. And as you get more calls in, you're able to scale with us because our focus is on scaling your business, making you more money, and then we make more money as a result of that. But if you want us to build out a system that is able to book you 5+ calls every day, feel free to book in with me and my team at frostleads.com. All of these links will be under this below. Say you can't afford even our intro offer, feel free to message me on Telegram. I'm always glad to be helping every single one of you guys. Say if you're struggling to get your first client and you have a budget of $100, I'll show you how to set up our software and get your first few calls booked, get your first few clients, and then you can eventually potentially work with us where we can scale your business past 10K a month. But if all of this sounds good, then feel free to book in with us. Like I said, if you guys think I'm here just, pitching you guys, feel free to think that I could care less. But if you want free help or just don't want to, pull the plug and outsource lead gen, then just, feel free to message me on Twitter, on Telegram. I'll have all my links below. And thank you for listening. Until the next video.